miss, you love us, you got this food for us. You made it. Mommy made it and Daddy made it. And me and Dave and Baby were watching TV.
Amen. Thank you. All right. Okay, so the laundry was a success. Taking out the trash now. About to go back to the house and I want to get my, oh man, I had a bag break, doggone it. I want to get my charcoal started so I can get on this cooking. My wife should have some corned beef brisket getting seasoned up. Oh man, a lot of trash. And we're gonna do some cabbage. But first, church just came on, so I'm gonna go back and start that live stream as soon as I get in the house, so I can get some word in me today. Man, I got to shave. I am looking a mess. Yeah, today is the day. My stuff don't come in good, but when it come in, this boy is a mess. I'll tell you what. Okay, time to get this bad boy started. Got my little chimney right here. Throw me some charcoals in here. And the reason I'm cooking this, because most people would do it on a stove, but when you're living in a camper, you run your stove off of propane. And there ain't no way I'm gonna be running my propane for the amount of time it takes to cook this, because we're gonna probably let it cook for about 3.5 hours, something like that. So I'm gonna throw this coals on here. A lot more efficient way for me. Because right now it's chilly outside. And I gotta use my propane for my heat the house. so. Oh yeah, one thing I like to do is I'll take some of this bag right here. Since I'm rolling it down anyways, I tear some of this bag. Like this here. See the inside? Got brown paper. I just take the brown part like that. Tear it up in little pieces. Like this right here. You're gonna shove them right up under there, like that. That's what you're gonna light on fire here in a second. Like that. Lighter. See how that lights? Pretty good. Right now, like I said, it is a little cold out. It is kind of windy. So we're gonna give this thing some time. And come back when these coals are pretty hot and white and dump them in the grill. Okay, so now that our coals are hot, go ahead and throw them down here. That's great. Like so. Spread them out evenly there. Get this bad boy put back in there. Ah, it's hot. Okay, so one thing you want to do is you want to clean your grill grate off. Usually you want to do it right after you're done cooking, so you don't have to do it now. But obviously I forgot to do it the last time, so it ain't no problem. Well, man, keep him one of these less stained brushes on hand at all times. Man, I don't know why they're so hot. Okay, so now that them bad boys are ready, we'll go inside and get the food. Bring it out here. This one right here. Okay, now we get this brisket out.
Dad, are you talking to us?
No, son, I'm making a video.
Can I watch you?
Okay, let's go.
fire. It's hot, but it's fire. Amen. Thank you. All right.
Let's eat. Eat.
Yeah.
Hey,
Hey, you guys. I hope y'all had a wonderful weekend. Super Bowl was last night. That was cool. But I just wanted to say, I hope you guys are really taking into consideration the importance of your family. Make sure that you do what you can to keep your family safe, keep your family well provided for, and keep your family happy. There's nothing more important than maintaining the blessings that God gave you. And, that's something that's really important to me. So I just wanted to kind of, convey that message that I know a lot of us doing what we do, we got to travel for work, and, some of us got to leave our families behind. I've been fortunate to not be in that boat where I got to leave my family behind. I can take them with me because we got a camper, but I really want to stress the importance of staying loyal to those who deserve your loyalty. Just make sure that you're doing what you can. Just like when you go to work, you try to give those employers your best. Give your family your best. They really deserve it, and they really need you. Especially as men, we need to continue to be the best man that we can for our family. Show your children how to be a man. Be a good man to your spouse, and wives the same, girlfriends, whatever. Stay true, stay loyal, stay humble, stay happy. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week. No, we ain't playing again.
My clue.
No, because y'all didn't want to play.
A little bit.
I can play over with y'all. Y'all got your ball?